So this is Abraham Velchas Aguas from 4B, and I'm here to discuss what is my learning about entrepreneurship. So first of all, what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is the process of creating, developing, and managing a new business venture with the aim of generating profits or creating values. While an entrepreneur is an individual who takes on financial risk to start and grow a business, using innovative ideas and strategies to capitalize on the market opportunities. Meaning, kahit sino pwede maging entrepreneur. Kahit hindi ka graduate ng entrepreneurship, kahit ibang course yung tinake mo, or kahit hindi ka talaga nakagraduate at all. At the early stage, kung meron kang kakayahan mag-produce ng money or mag-take ng risk, you can be an entrepreneur. Kasi I have a lots of people na kilala na at the early age of 18, nakakapagtayo sila ng business. Best example si Josh Mojica, 'di ba? Sabi niya, parang 18 years old pa lang siya, parang nakapag-isip na siya ng isang business na kaya niya talagang i-sustain or kaya niya mag-take ng risk. And now, isa na siyang millionaire or billionaire. So everyone can be an entrepreneur. Basta you have the confidence to build your own business and you have a strong personality na mag-take ng risk, kasi hindi talaga lahat magiging successful or hindi guaranteed na magiging successful if you create your own business. So that's one of my learnings in this subject. That's all. Thank you so much.